Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have almost done with the modeling of this particular JCB cabin over here. That's the interior of JCB. So let's continue it. So now what we'll be doing over here is like few things which are just left. We'll be creating that. So very first of all, I'll just go over here and also we'll create something over here. So let's just take a box. So just take a box over here, slightly just push this up. Shuffle this over here, slightly push this up, resize it. So we need to slightly just resize this element in this way. So convert to editable poly. Select these edges, slightly just push this up. So go over here and let's take a swift loop over here. Select the vertices, slightly rotate it and shuffle this in this way. So that can be done. So select this edges over here and slightly I can just assign a bit of chamfer over here, slightly, and let's click OK. So the same way we can assign a chamfer over here also and click OK. So we can do this stuff or details in this way. See, also we have a handlebar over here. So let's go into the top view over here and let's just take a line over here. So we'll just take a line and create a kind of a handlebar. Slightly just push this up till here. So select this, shuffle it over here, enable in viewport and slightly increase its thickness in this way. So shuffle this till here. Oops, I think you can slightly just push it inside. This much is okay. Alright, so I'll just convert to editable poly. So now what I can do over here is like, now let's go into rendering. Let's go into file, view image file. Let's take some references where we are going to model the side walls over here. So we have, we can model some side wall details also over here. So for that, what I can do over here is like I can slightly first of all I'll just ungroup it. First I'll select this part of it, select this much of the part, and let's group this. So let's go into the hierarchy, effect, pivot only. So let's just shuffle the pivot point over here, and slightly you can push it down if required. Close this. And let's go into this, and slightly you can just push this up if required in this way. So you need to tilt it. So we are not able to tilt it in the correct way. Okay, now looks much better. So slightly just shuffle this up over here in this way. So now let's just save the file. Now we can do this stuff. Now this would be easy for us. So consider we are going to create this as a road over here. So let's take again a box over here in the form of a road over here. So slightly just shuffle this down. Okay, this looks much better now. In this way. Select this stuff. Let's convert to editable poly. Select this. Slightly extrude it over here. Select this. Extrude it down. So this is going to be a road only. So again, let's put one swift loop. Select this polygons, slightly just extrude it in this way. Again, let's put a loop over here. So select these edges, shuffle it over here. So again, select this polygons and slightly just extrude it up over here. So now we can take some more references for the side walls. You can see over here we have different references. So let's take some references for creation of this side wall. So for that, very first of all, I'll go over here. I'll take one swift loop over here. I'll put one more swift loop. So select this polygons and slightly just extrude it up in this way. So what I can do is I can slightly shuffle it in this way, or else you can push this over here and push this over here in this way. So select this part, let's give. So again use a swift loop over here. So select the polygons, again extrude it up, push this down, select this polygons, slightly give bevel by local normal, and click OK. So we can create such walls. We can definitely make this uneven. We can do that. With that, simultaneously again I will put one more loop over here. Let's put some same loops. So again select this polygons, again extrude it up. So we can use this, shuffle it up, so R and make it straight. Again select this polygons, slightly extrude this up, again extrude it, so select this polygons over here and slightly give bevel and click OK. So we can do such adjustments if required. So we can do such adjustments in this way. Now over here, if you see this, we have some kind of railings over here. So let's again go into this. So let's take a line tool over here. So let's just create some railings. Reduce this length and width. So push this over here. So let's just duplicate it. So now again just drag it down. So you can just touch this down if required over here correctly, and again I'll take a line tool. Let's take a line tool and enabling viewport. Increase its thickness. So make a copy of it. So how many copies you need, you can just put the copies over here. So we can take n number of copies over here. And let's just delete this stuff. So I'll just end isolate this stuff over here. So we'll be just duplicating all of this. So if you want, what I can do over here is like, I can just cut this out and you can just make multiple copies wherever are required. I'll just shuffle this further. Again select this. Or else we can do first some of the details over here which are required. So we have some details. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Okay, this is going to go down more. If you see it correctly, it's going to go down till here. So we can just extend this. Alright. Is it coinciding in the correct way? You need to check this. Okay, yes, it is. Perfect. Alright, so save your file. So guys, we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.